god, before we go, let's just take a snapshot. Isn't that beautiful? Like,
And since this point inside here, we are going inside the jungle. It's not for tourists. Even this road do not exist in Google. This one is because it's complete new. The people who was building the Mayan train built it a few months ago. He was just dirt. It was hard to go in. But we are going to go inside here for about 23 kilometers. And all this is after we cross the rail. After we cross the rail, all this is pure jungle and Mayan communities in Mayan train. So it's very nice. There's no tourists here, and
Only you.
this way take you to two places. Caobas is one of the communities where we are going today, and another one that is far away, that it's Tres Garantias. But this is the world capital of jaguar. In this area you can find jaguar, you can find puma, you can find ocelote, a small cat.
oh, okay.
Bigger than a normal cat, deers, all kind of species. It's huge.
Yeah. Maxi boy. Yeah, do it as much as you can, but I know this will eat you.
Do I look tasty?
Yeah. Oh, definitely not
can
for the
you do my bag,
mosquitoes.
maybe?
Yeah, sure. Seriously, I'm not joking. Yeah, go.
I was talking to the girls in my room, in my dorm.
But you just never know.
Join.
It's like sun cream in the front.
Oh, I don't think there's gonna be much sun.
Yeah, no, but it's like
Oh, yeah.
Okay, Alex. Come, please. Okay, Linda. This will make you feel better.
You promise?
Yeah, I promise. I promise.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Okay, brother.
All right, let's go. Okay. So we're doing 12 kilometers through the jungle. Oh, it's rather quite amazing. We have a first casualty. I'm coming closer. Okay, let's put this bike there. Oh. Oh.
I'm dirty.
Ah, yeah.
The rest is down. Yes, human bones.
Oh.
And there is a...
Oh, really? Oh la la.
And that was like a construction. That and the tree take part of.
it was when somebody.
Tree consumed
Yeah.
is consuming.
Is this actually human bones?
Yes,
Yeah.
look at the jaw.
Yeah, you have jaw teeth there.
From what you?
Oh my god.
Maybe it's somebody that got lost and.
Maybe
Who did
so.
you sacrifice?
No, but they are
Another.
inside. Look, you have trees.
Ah.
No goals? No, yeah. No, it's good. It's well. No goals? No, ahora no tengo.
Strategic point here, but I think it was really difficult to arrive here.
Yeah.
Now because we have bikes and a road, but on that age, it was really.
Oh my god.
In them windows.
Boards, yes.
And Are they identified human remains? You know, it's for sure human, not
They're
animal.
beautiful, but I wanna.
Look at the trees coming out of the wall.
One sacrificate.
For the energy.
Yes.
Energy.
Yeah. Maybe
No.
not.
Because we would
You
have.
can touch it, but
Human
I recommend you not.
I mean, I already had bad luck. I have bad
No,
No, don't say, don't
that's,
say.
That's part of the adventure.
Ah, right.
But that's that. Maybe not so good.
Wow.
That's the vibes I'm getting from Jungle Book.
That is the altar, okay? Yes. It's how come the nature starts recovering what belongs to nature.
That's right.
I am still alive.
We'll find out. Don't scream if we find one.
One
at a
time,
time.
okay? And I will hold you, and you will try to look the bottom, but you will be able to see, okay? Maria. Okay, you have to do like this. Put your feet here. Hold here.
Wow.
And do like this.
Oh my God.
I will be here, okay? Wait. Try to look.
Do you know how deep it is?
It's like
This one is
It
not
goes
very
somewhere,
deep.
it's a
This
full
one is
water,
maybe
full
like,
water?
they jump right here to now sacrifice. it's already like
No.
maybe 18 or Yes. 20 meters. They say that
That's
this
still
connects to
deep.
Xibalba was the infra world. And here they jump and they do the sacrifice.
somebody go down there, like archaeology.
No.
One of us is going to be sacrificed. We're looking for volunteers. Okay, I go. I will video.
No, well, be
But
careful
you're
with your
alright.
Yeah,
phone.
don't worry about it.
Already there.
Because you were sitting here.
Yeah.
Oh wow. It is very deep, La.
Yeah.
Very deep.
And it's perfect done.
Yeah. It's very circular. They make it out of brick, you know.
Yes, like break it. They
Stone,
use
isn't
skull.
it?
It was a stone that they have here.
Hello, wakey wakey. Oh Jesus.
This is there. Not there.
This is
Where is he going?
there is a zapote tree.
cortada el otro día, ¿no?
¿Ah?
Dejaste abierto, ¿no? Para que
De este no. Creo un poquito. This is the same tree. It grow up like a branch. Look, from the same tree.
Oh yeah.
Oh, so it fell down and then it started to grow on it. Wow.
Grow out.
it's amazing.
That trees grow on dead trees or trees that have fallen down.
The ficus is just like that. This is a ficus, and it's a kind of tree that the ficus starts giving roots everywhere. It's an incredible tree. He will explain you about that. You will see how come this ficus, this kind of trees, eats another trees.
Wow.
Stage train.
That's a choreography.
Come this way if you want. You will see that it's only one tree. Vos sabés que esto es... Me puse a investigar.
You need to do like, you know, the from National Geographic, the one that they're talking, like this is the animal, you know, the
I need David Attenborough to do
yeah,
it.
we need to do this is
No, it's all good. He's looking at us.
Lo que pasa es que ellas que no quieren salir a escena, güey.
from there.
Now you know where the jackfruit comes from. He's cooling himself down. He loves it.
Can you take off
That's
those
a nice picture, eh? You will share this one with me. Cochona, güey, para subirla. Mira, ven con tu teléfono.
Can you take those spikes off?
No.
Is that like the Mayan stick?
A ver,
Oh, I can't see them. They move so fast. Maxi, you good boy.
There, isn't it? It's in that tree there, look. There, isn't it? It's going over there, look. Where my finger is in that corner part there.
Good job, Max.
Oh, I'm sorry.
no,
I don't even see them.
I just can hear them. You're not zoom?
No, I can zoom, but Max must have triggered him.
The big one.
Why are you throwing?
Look, he put branches, fruits.
He's been checking branches.
You see?
Maxi. Oh yes, he's talking. He's talking.
Where are the big
I will just look through.
No, it's not maybe. It's 100 meters.
Wait.
120.
Come here.
Okay, okay, okay.
First, look you
Okay,
by your
myself.
eyes. Yeah. Do another video.
No, it's alright.
Wait. No, this one. It's very dangerous. They don't know how they do it.
But you know, it's so
It's perfect. It's perfect. Yes.
perfect. And I know
If you come down here, wherever you should be.
Oh, this place is amazing, no?
Mm-hmm.
It's worth it, no? It's worth it.
It's okay. It's very strong, but the size are not so good. So
Okay.
30.
yeah. So be careful. We're going to go to the top. Okay, go. Okay, we can do it.
I feel the movement. I don't know if
I crushed the termites.
Okay.
The
You want
termites.
to go? I will. Are you okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. Okay, we can do a little bit of silence, and then we're going to eat something. Okay?
I don't see no pub. Jesus, you lied to me.
No,
You lied to me. You told me there's a pub.
Maybe later. Tomorrow.
Oh, I have service here.
Yeah.
No, all of mine.
yes, me too.
The city itself
Chatuma.
is in your F.
Can we take 30 seconds? Okay, so we're
Seriously, I changed my mind. Because you will see when it starts to move,
No,
you would want to be coming off.
Once you're up there, you're up there. There's no coming back down.
No, it's fine. You will see. I am not. I've been there, done that similar way. Okay. This is not gonna be comfy. You... Hey!
Something is wrong with them.
Oh yeah. No, they just extreme. Oh my god, all the bikes come down. Oh dear, dear, dear.
Oh, fuck, I should have recorded that.
Oh my god, I missed it.
Oh, that's true. Is that the culprit?
There's the one there.
Oh la la la. Did you?
Es que se hace así, aquí está profundo, aquí se hace, aquí es donde me atasqué.
Ese tú, mira la bicicleta.
You hit the rock, that's why.
Aquí es donde me atasqué, güey.
Rock here. I don't know, you... Oh, I think it cracked the thing. It's cracked?
I know, it's a little bit.
Okay.
Of the limit zone. En Caobas and in Quechua is Kimak, Pute, Tal, XY. I don't know. A huevo.